Hey, welcome back, guys. After a long time, I am making a video, and this time I am making a review of Barton watch bands. Wow! So I think I was very lucky this time to get something from abroad, especially a strap at a much lower than anticipated time. And here it was, straight from USA, the none other than the famous within budget watch straps that are these bottom straps. And I think everybody in the watch collecting world have heard the names of these straps. So this time I have received two leather NATO straps, and let's see what they are up to, what they are as per quality wise. So no, that's great. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay, what we do that let's go through the packaging first, the Barton watch bands, and behind it is the barcode SKU number. It is leather NATO style, navy blue, 18 mm. So that's quite good. So here is the address: Barton, designed in Austin, Texas, USA. Texas, that's great. Assembled in China. Fine, that is doable. But yeah, fine. As long as it is designed in USA, doesn't matter. It is US owned company. Top grain leather, 316 stainless steel buckle. It is mentioned here. So it's mentioned here: attaching your straps with spring bars installed in the watch. Feed long portion of the strap between spring bar and the watch casing, behind watch head and up through other spring bar. Then run through stainless steel ring on short strap to secure. And if the strap is too long, so it has mentioned one more tip: for cleanest look, once on wrist, fold excess underneath itself into the keeper loop for the second time. Oh, now let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging. Yeah, that's good. And here it comes out. Let's take it out. And here it comes. And this is a strap. Now it is really a good one, a very good stitching, and I think that the overall material has a very nice feel. I can say that it is really soft and it will be really very snug on the wrist. So here is the stainless steel buckle. I will take off the cover, that peel off cover here. If you see that the stitching is also this navy blue in color. Here the very beautiful emboss of Barton watch bands, size mentioned here, width of 18 mm, top grain leather that I can actually feel. However, the buckles are also made of leather. They are not like stainless steel, except beg your pardon, the loops are made of leather except for the buckle, which is stainless steel here. Now let's go ahead and definitely I'm going to put it on the wrist and show it to you guys. So I will be using the old and trusted HMT Janata, which is already on a nylon NATO, locally sourced nylon NATO. So I will take off the nylon NATO for the time being, and I will keep it aside. And then I will take off the long end, and as it was instructed here, I will just put it on from the one end of the lug attached on the watch case, and then the other side comes here and it goes like this. Pull a little bit and you see it has gone well. There is no bulging like other locally sourced NATO strap, like excessive of bulging. So it has gone like this, and then it goes through this loop and it has gone here. So I will adjust it a little bit so that it does not comes out too much longer. So yeah, right. See, in the end, it is very snug fit. The soft leather is very snug fit on the case itself, And now for the wrist part, the wrist presence, let me wear it and show it to you. I will just put it on the wrist, and I have put it on the buckle, and now, so here it is, the Barton leather NATO strap. It is a very good fit here, a very nice presence on the wrist, very nice color shade, and I think it is really good that it fits very good on the wrist here, and I have really started to like this. And I have got one in 18 mm leather NATO, and this one is in 22 mm. This one is for my Seiko divers, and I think this one is also really nice in color. So let's go through this. Same high grain leather, same thickness of the leather, but the color and width are different. This one is, I think, let me tell you, leather NATO style standard gingerbread 22 mm. The rest everything is same. So gingerbread, as in the gingerbread man, here it is. The hardware is also very good. The loops are leather, the buckle is stainless steel. Color different, and the thickness, the width, the thickness is quite fine leather, so it will easily slip through the lugs and has a very good wrist presence. So I really like this Barton band, and my first experience is really good. I can say that they have really done a great job in budget watch bands market, and definitely you can check them out. I think they have their own website, Barton watch bands, and you can go take a look. There are other designs also they have, like canvas, sailcloth, leather, as well as they have nylon NATOs and other straps. So go check them out. I think you will really like it. So one more thing that my friends were asking, that why we should go for a NATO strap. Let me say that many people actually don't like NATO strap. I can see why, because they do not get the feel of a quick release strap that is usually with many watches. And I think that for me technically, the benefit is that NATO, leather NATO, or any type of this double loop NATO strap or a single loop NATO strap actually gives you redundancy of watch safety. Suppose one spring bar breaks, so it will be held by the other spring bar here. In quick release strap, what happens that if one spring bar breaks, the watch may fall off the wrist, because it is just a one loop watch band, but it is two loop, and the loop goes from under the watch and it is secured by two spring bars here. So if you are out for a driving, hiking, or walking, running, jogging, so I would prefer a NATO strap. If I am going to do some office work, I will prefer a bracelet or a quick release leather strap, or some canvas strap, sailcloth, etc. The quick release version. So that's it. So thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. And this video was totally dedicated to the Barton bands, and I think that I will get more of these in future. And also I have some more incoming Barton watch bands in canvas, so I will make a short review of them in a while. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.